Certainly. Here's a simple recipe for baked salmon. Ingredients: for salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried dill, or 1 tablespoon fresh dill, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, lemon slices, for garnish, fresh dill, for garnish. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil. 2. Place the salmon fillets on the prepared baking sheet, skin side down. 3. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, dried dill, salt, and pepper. 4. Drizzle the mixture evenly over the salmon fillets, making sure they are well coated. 5. If desired, place a few slices of lemon on top of each fillet for extra flavor. 6. Bake the salmon in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. The cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of the fillets, so keep an eye on them. 7. Once cooked, remove the salmon from the oven and let it rest for a couple of minutes. 8. Serve the baked salmon hot, garnished with fresh dill and accompanied by your favorite side dishes like roasted vegetables, steamed asparagus, or a fresh salad. Enjoy your delicious baked salmon. Subscribe.